All right, let me show you the actual baskets for the air fryer that we have. I do have a Ninja circular. They do have the square, all right? And if you guys can see, they're silicone, so they're gonna be fire resistant, and also you can put up these in the dishwasher. Now, out of the box, they were a little squishy, so you gotta have to train them into folding into there. But look at that. So now you could just put all your ingredients, everything you need to cook here in one basket, and you could simply take out one basket and put the other one. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep frying stuff in there, and then when it's ready to take out the next one and throw it in. Look how simple it is. Today we're gonna do some zucchini sticks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start preparing our zucchini sticks. All right, I just washed them right now, and we're gonna cut the ends because we don't like the ends to be on it. So make sure you just cut them. We're gonna do like French fry style, all right? So right now we just got one end here. Long, yeah, it fits. As long as it fits in our basket, it's perfect. So we're gonna do one long one, all right? That's good enough, you know. Do them short if you want. Do whatever you want, your style, all right? Breadcrumbs, if you guys can see breadcrumbs in here. Throw them on here. Because we're gonna need one complete breadcrumb, and this is $1 something, so it's not that bad. Put that aside. We're gonna put our egg in here, and you could season them if you want. It's up to you. So we're gonna add about maybe 3 eggs, and then we're gonna scramble them in there, 3 or 4 eggs. So there's one, and I did get a shell in there by accident. Crypto. He likes the eggs crumbs. There's another one. Toby likes these too. Here you go. Come here. There's another one. Here, Crypto. My garbage disposals. They love the. It's good for their coats. To be honest with you. All right, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna scramble this. All right, let's start the process, all right? Zucchini, 2, throw them all in there if you can. Just make sure they fit in there. Move them around, all right? Once you get them in there, bread it. Oops, drop some bread, but both sides, as much as you can. You could bread it again, but right now we're just gonna take it out. Bread it. Once we get it ready, got one ready here. Bread it. Bread it, and then keep doing that. And then we could go back in there if you want. Again, all right, optional. But I just do one cycle. Starts. So there's one right here. Put it in here. We're gonna put the first batch in there, all right? Zucchini sticks go in there. Close it up. I'm gonna put 450 on this one. So let's power it up. Temperature 400. That's the maximum good time. We're gonna do 10 minutes. 15 minutes or 10 minutes, somewhere around there. 15 minutes. We'll try 15 minutes start. And then we're gonna take them halfway out and then flip them over too. So next ones, let's get another basket ready. We're gonna flip these over. 10 minutes passed, all right? Ooh, they're looking good. Now we're gonna have to be careful how we take the basket out. I'm actually gonna take the next basket out and pull these out for now, and then flip them over. Put the next set in for now. Spray them before you go in there. Oh no! It's okay. It's just the victims. Spray them again. What am I doing? I don't need tongues for this one. Look at that. This is not the hot one. Put them in there. Another 10 minutes. Look at that. Let's see if I can. Ooh, actually, they're almost done. I'm gonna flip them over a little bit. Actually, some of them even burn. Flip them over. Put a little Parmesan too on them. I'm gonna do that. Actually, let's try one too. Ooh, this small one. It's a little hot. That's good. There's still more. So I put Parmesan on them, and I'm gonna put them back in for another minute or two, and then cook. See how crispy they come out. I'm gonna reuse it without washing it. Just took out the breadcrumbs from the other one. Simple. We'll put the next one in. Next batch goes in.